Good morning, greetings from the Philippines. We have just received a package from Ma'am Ramona Rich from Rich Care and Hope in California. Ma'am Ding, thank you so much. We are going to use this for the less fortunate kids. We will give you more updates. But at this time, mag-unboxing ko muna kami because we wanted to let everybody see kung ano-ano yung mga bagay na ibinigay from the bottom of the hearts ng mga donors natin from America. I am with
Irene Ambong Aliman, one of the SEC officer or student youth council officer under Ms. Morales.
and she's also one of the volunteers during the community services dito po sa UC. Watercolors. We have crayons too. And we have different clothes. Useful po to kasi we could give this to some people, especially now that it's summer season here in Iloilo City. Not only in Iloilo, but of course in the Philippines. So, there are many fire victims, so clothes are very necessary for them. Thank you so much. At sa mga clothes, lalabas lang po namin lahat para makita. And we also have some, what's this? Stuffed toys. Melody, it looks so cute. Looks so cute. So cute. Yeah, medyo maraming clothes po, but we're going to take them out. Lahat. Okay. Thank you so much, Ma'am Bing, and surely we assure you that this stops will go to the beneficiaries, especially for the less fortunate kids here in Iloilo. Actually, there's a lot. But this month of May, we're planning to go to Otol, Iloilo, one community there, but we will give you some updates later on. Thank you, Ma'am Bing. Say goodbye to Ma'am Bing. Say thank you.
Bye, thank you, ma'am.